मॅडम चालू करू शकतात.
Okay, sir. So today is second day of our series related to guidance of the examination, and on behalf of our college, I welcome all the participants and all the present over here. And today we have Dr. S.K. Gumre sir, who is from one of the reputed college from our area, that is ICS College, Khed. And sir has more than 12 years of teaching experience for UG as well as for PG classes. And he has published research papers in various national and international conferences and workshops. So on behalf of our Sundaram More Arts, Commerce and Science College, I welcome you, sir. And now without wasting time, I request you, sir, to guide the students. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. So, first of all, welcome all dear students. So today's topic is about the question paper pattern of inorganic chemistry. So here I'm going to share the screen. Screen is visible. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Now, so here the overview of question paper. So as you know that as per the fifth sem, the sixth sem also paper carry 100 marks. Duration is of 3 hours. Total 5 questions will ask, and each question carry 20 marks. So first 4 questions are descriptive, and the last question, which is objective one, contain the state whether true or false, and multiple choice question, fill in the blank and match the column, etc. So this is the overview of your question paper. So 80 mark question paper is descriptive and 20 mark question paper is objective type. Now the note for the question paper, as we know that all questions are compulsory, figures to write indicate full marks, and use of logarithmic and non-programmable calculator is allowed. Now here, so actual question paper content, the question number 1 is the attempt any 4 of the following, which carry 20 marks, and the sub question asked in this question number 1 is total 6 question, as like A, B, C, D, E, F, or whatever in Roman numerical first to 6. All 6 sub question asked on the unit first, that is the topic theories of metal ligand bond, that is based on the crystal field theory. So this question 1 is entirely asked around the crystal field theory. Now the question number 2, in question number 2, again attempt any 4 of the following, 20 marks, and sub questions are 6, that is A, B, C, D, E, F. And this question 2 is entirely asked on the unit second. Now here the classification for this unit second on this sub question is like this. Sub question A and B, it means first 2 sub question asked on molecular orbital theory for coordination compound. Sub question C and D ask on stability of metal complexes. Sub question E asked on the topic that is reactivity of metal complexes, and sub question F asked on the electronic spectrum. Okay, so this is the division of sub question for the unit second topic. So you have to more focus on the molecular orbital theory for coordination compound. That two questions asked on that topic, and two questions asked on the stability of metal complex. And each question from reactivity of metal complex and electronic spectrum. So this is the weightage. Now again, question 3 is descriptive type. Attempt any four of the following. So total 20 marks. And sub questions are same as like 1 and 2, that is A to F, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, and you have to solve any four. Okay, so here you have a choice. Now sub question A, B, and C probably asked on the organometallic compounds. This topic contain more weightage for unit third. And sub question D and E asked on metallocene, and sub question F asked on topic that is catalysis. So here, concerned to this unit third, you have to focus on the first topic that is organometallic compounds of main group elements. Okay, then metallocene, and a little weightage for only one question asked on the catalysis. Now the last descriptive question, that is question number 4. Attempt any 4 of the following, that is 20 marks. Again, same. So total 6 sub questions. You have to solve any 4. Each sub question carry 5 marks. And this question number 4 belongs to unit 4th. And sub question here, A, B, C. First 3 sub question will ask on metallurgy. So next 2 sub question, that is D, E, asked on chemistry of group 18, and last sub question belongs to the last topic of this unit 4, that is introduction to bio-inorganic chemistry. So this is the descriptive questions which are asked on the from unit 1st to unit 4. Now we are going to move towards the our objective type questions. So question 5 is entirely as an objective type. Total marks contain 20, carry 20 marks. So here this is the pattern as per the 5th semester. There may be changes. Means what? Here I have mentioned state true or false. A for B sub question belongs to fill in the blank. C question belongs to select and write the appropriate answer, that is multiple choice questions. And D for match the column. So here maybe first A may be match the column, or C may be. So here the sequence of the question pattern may change or remain as it is. That is depends upon the paper setting. But the question pattern is as like this. So here, so question number 5 contain 4 sub questions, that is A, B, C, D, based on objective type. You have to solve all these A, B, C. In the sub question you have 2 choice, but for question 5 no choice. You have to solve A, B, C, D, all the 4 sub questions. Okay, choice is under the sub question. See, question sub question A, state whether true or false. Okay, and this state whether true or false belongs to unit 1st, that is crystal field theory. So here total 8 sentence provided to you for to choice the select the true or false, and you have to solve any 5 from these 8 sub questions. So A sub question carry 5 marks. Now fill in the B sub question, that is the fill in the blanks. You have provided the answer for the choice, proper answer for fill in the blank in the brackets. This fill in the blank sub question belongs to unit 2nd, and it carry total 7 questions, 7 fill in the blanks, and you have to solve any 5. It carry 5 marks. So here you have choice again. Out of 7 you have to solve 5. Now sub question C that is the select and write the appropriate answer. This is multiple choice questions. You have given the question and you have to four options are there, and this sub question belongs to unit third, and here total 8 questions will ask and you have to solve any 5. So it means 8 multiple choice sub questions are given and you have to solve any 5, that is 5 marks. And the last sub question, that is the match the column. This last sub question belongs to unit 4, and here total 7 match the columns are given and you have to solve any 5. So in this way, each sub question carry 5 marks and total question number 5 is of 20 marks. Okay. So this is about the overview of the question pattern. So this is about the question paper pattern. Now you will get the clear-cut idea about the topic and their weightage concerned to the marks. Now here, while you are preparing on the when you are prepared for the exam, so it is you have to prepare for all syllabus. You have to prepare for all syllabus, but here I have discussed some important points from the topics. So unit first, that is theories of metal ligand bond. The main points of this topic are the basics or assumptions of crystal field theory. This basics or assumptions of crystal field theory you have to prepare. Then you have to focus on crystal field splitting in octahedral complexes. There is crystal field splitting in tetrahedral complexes also, but you have to focus on the octahedral complexes. And now one more important point of this topic is you have to prepare the problems on crystal field stabilization energy. Very simple formula is there, and you have to calculate the CFS value for the different D configuration, that is from D1 to D10 configuration. And one more point, that is measurement of 10 DQ and the factors affecting the 10 DQ value. So this is another important point from this topic. And one more, that is nephlogetic effect. Nephlogetic effect, which is the evidence for covalent bonding in the metal and ligand. It doesn't mean that you have to prepare only this. असं नाही की तुम्ही फक्त एवढेच पॉइंट करायला पाहिजे. You have to prepare entire syllabus, but you have to at least you have to focus on the some important point from the topic wise. For unit second, that is contain the topic first topic, that is molecular orbital theory for coordination compound. In this topic, what you have to prepare? You have to prepare the MOT diagram for the octahedral complexes. So here only few complexes are given in the syllabus, that is hexa echo titanium ion, then hexa fluoroferrate ion, hexa cyanoferrate ion, and the last one is hexa fluorocobaltate ion and hexa amino cobaltate ion. So here are MOT diagrams are. So these MOT diagrams you have to prepare very well. Okay. So from these MOT diagrams, definitely question asked on any of the following any of the complex. You have to MOT diagram for molecular orbital theory for the octahedral complex. Now, second point of this topic that is important, that is effect of pi bonding on the complexes. In that, you have to prepare 2 points, that is the interaction, ligand to metal pi interaction and another one is metal to ligand pi interactions. Only these points are important, belong to this topic. Now, stability. Hello. Sir, somebody noise is coming. Thank you. So concern to this topic, so these points are important. Next topic is the stability of metal complexes of unit second. So from this topic, you have to focus on the difference between thermodynamic and kinetic stability. So this is very important point. You have to prepare the differences. Now, another important point of this topic is relation between stepwise and overall formation. So this relation between stepwise and overall formation constant is frequently asked in the exam. Another is the factors affecting the thermodynamic stability of the complexes. So there are several factors, but you have to prepare. You have to read all these factors for to prepare the exam. Now the next topic of this unit, that is the reactivity of metal complexes. The reactivity of metal in this topic, that is ligand substitution reaction, very important. You have to prepare this point, that is dissociative mechanism and associative mechanism. Differently from definitely from these 2 points, any one point will definitely probably maybe asked in the exam, that is the dissociative and associative mechanism. And one more important point is the base hydrolysis. So these are the topic points you have to prepare from the this topic. Now, next and last topic of this unit, that is the electronic spectra of the complexes. So you have to focus on the coupling of electron spin, spin multiplicity, and microstate. Microstate is very simple. So you have to prepare this microstate. You have to calculate the microstate. A very simple formula is there. Definitely, frequently question is definitely question was already question many times asked, and probably a question may be asked on the microstate. And last one is the term symbol. You have to calculate the term symbol for different configuration. Some example already given in the book. So prepare this term symbol. In the third unit, now the first topic of the third unit is organometallic compounds of main group element. In this topic, you have to prepare the general synthetic methods. In this, you have to prepare at least 3 reactions of every method. So there are several methods for preparation of organometallic compound, and each we don't know which preparation method will ask, but you have to prepare 3 reaction, first 3 reaction, 3 to 4 reaction from every method. Now, concerned to the chemical properties, the reaction with the protic solvent, this is very simple. You have to prepare this one. Reaction, there are redistribution reactions, complex formation reaction, but these are simple one, reaction with the protic solvent, and this is frequently asked in the exam. And next topic is metallocene, simple topic. You have to prepare synthesis of ferrocene. 2 methods are given. You have to prepare the ferrocene from Grignard reagent. This is important and particularly asked in the exam. Then chemical reaction of ferrocene. It is again very simple. Just you have to move up 1 or 2 times. You will easily got this point. That is the chemical reaction of ferrocene. Next topic, that is the catalysis. In catalysis, first point is there is the difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous catalysis. So this is very important point, and you have to prepare this one. And the next one is the hydrogenation of alkene using Wilkinson catalyst. So this is the another important point belongs to the catalysis topic. And the next topic is the next unit, and the last unit, that is fourth unit. The first topic is metallurgy. in metallurgy, there you have to prepare the types of metallurgy, that is pyrometallurgy, hydrometallurgy, electrometallurgy. And concerned to this topic, metallurgy, you have to prepare all the figures. Whenever figure is there, you have to prepare the figures, and from figure you are able to write a few descriptive point of that figure. So in this way you have to prepare the topic. And next point is the general steps of metallurgy. There are several steps, so you have to prepare all these general steps. Now the next topic is the chemistry of group 18. So this is very again a big topic. So from this you have to focus on xenon fluoride compound, that is xenon difluoride, xenon tetrafluoride, xenon hexafluoride. So from these xenon fluoride you have to prepare all these three xenon fluoride compounds, their preparation and structure. This is very important, and question is definitely asked on any xenon fluoride, its preparation and structure. And the another one, that is the preparation and structure of xenon oxo difluoride, xenon oxo tetrafluoride, xenon dioxo difluoride, and last one is the xenon trioxide. This is again important, xenon trioxide. So you have to prepare these points as their preparation method and the structure. So this is the overview of the question paper pattern and the importance of the important point from these topics. So now the anybody have a question regarding the question pattern? So please ask. कोणाला कोई question असेल तर please विचारा. The session is open for the discussion. विद्यार्थ्यांपैकी कोणाला काय वाटत असेल क्वेश्चन पेपर काही इम्पॉर्टंट पॉइंट आपण डिस्कस केलेले आहेत, सो प्लीज फील फ्री टू डिस्कस. कोणाला काही क्वेश्चन वगैरे काही विचारा, काय असेल तर बिलकुल असं म्हणजे फील फ्री होऊन विचारा, काय कोणाचं काही. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लेम. कांबळे मॅडम, कांबळे मॅडम, ठीक आहे. कांबळे मॅडम येईपर्यंत आपण थोडं चर्चा करूया आता. सो ज्या दोज टॉपिक कंटेन द फिगर, ज्या टॉपिक मध्ये फिगर आहेत, सो यू हॅव टू प्रिपेअर ऑल द फिगर्स. जेवढ्या काही फिगर आहेत त्या पाठ करा. त्या फिगरचं डिस्क्रिप्शन तुम्ही तिथं एक्झाम मध्ये, फिगर जर तुम्हाला पाठ असेल तर तुम्ही काही ना काही डिस्क्रिप्शन तिथं करू शकाल. सो इन दिस वे यू हॅव टू प्रिपेअर फॉर द एक्झाम. जिथं आता एमओटी टॉपिक मध्ये मॉलिक्युलर ऑर्बिटल थेरी फॉर कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाऊंड, याच्यामध्ये ज्या एमओटी डायग्राम्स आहेत, त्या एमओटी जर तुम्ही एक दोन जरी एमओटी डायग्राम चांगल्या पाठ केली की बाकी तुम्ही इझिली त्या तिथं ड्रॉ करू शकता. ओके, लिगॅंडचं एनर्जी, ऍटॉमिक ऑर्बिटलचं एनर्जी लेवल लोअर लेवलला दाखवतो, मेटलचं एनर्जी लेवल, ऍटॉमिक ऑर्बिटलचं एनर्जी लेवल हायर एनर्जी लेवलला दाखवतो, कारण इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव्ह डिफरन्स तेवढं तिथं तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे. जिथं कुठं डायग्राम्स आहेत, डायग्राम तुम्हाला प्रिपेअर करा. ओके, डायग्राम जर तुम्ही प्रिपेअर केला तर तुम्हाला तिथं काही ना काही डिस्क्रिप्शन लिहिता येईल आणि तुम्ही तिथं तुमचा तो क्वेश्चन तो अटेम्प्ट होऊन जाईल. म्हणजे इम्पॉर्टंट म्हणण्यापेक्षा खरं तर सगळंच तुम्ही प्रिपेअर करायला पाहिजे, जेवढं शक्य आहे तेवढं. पण कमीत कमी हे जे आपण पॉईंट इथं डिस्कस केलेले आहेत, हे पॉईंट जरा, दीज पॉइंट्स आर व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट कन्सेप्ट टू द एक्झाम पॉईंट. ओके, कोणाला काही क्वेश्चन असेल तर विचारा.
हॅलो,
हा सर बोला.
विद्यार्थ्यांनो प्लीज जर काही क्युरी असतील रिगार्डिंग इनऑर्गॅनिक केमिस्ट्री सरांना विचारा. इव्हन क्वेश्चन लिहिल्यानंतर त्याच्यामध्ये जे मार्क डिस्ट्रीब्युशन कशा प्रकारे असतं, एमओटी डायग्रामचं वगैरे, त्या संदर्भात थोडंसं सांगा त्यांना.
हा ओके, आता समजा आता एमओटी डायग्राम्स आपण हाच क्वेश्चन घेऊया. Question is asked on the, you have to draw the molecular orbital theory for the formation of hexa aquo titanium ion. So question is asked, ask as like this. तर याच्यामध्ये काय लिहिणं आहे तुम्हाला, you have to draw the diagram. The question, total question is for 5 marks. So diagram carry 2 marks. Okay, diagram carry 2 marks. Then you have to mention its paramagnetism or diamagnetism. This word is very important. Listen, paramagnetism, diamagnetism. This word carry half marks. Okay, electronic configuration carry 1 marks. Okay, and this whole description, whatever you have write, this carry 1 marks. So diagram is very important. Okay, and electronic configuration carry again half marks. So this is what the description for the question. म्हणजे असं नाही की पूर्ण क्वेश्चनच तुम्हाला आठवायला लागेल, लिहावं लागेल, तसं नाही. जे काही तुम्हाला त्या क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड जे काही आन्सर तुमच्या डोक्यामध्ये आहे ते तुम्ही तिथे ठेवायचं. ओके, काही ना काही असेल क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करायचं. क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करणं खूप महत्वाचं. क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट केला की तुम्हाला तिथं तुम्ही यू आर एलिजिबल फॉर गेटिंग at least 1 marks, 1.5 marks, 2 marks, whatever out of 5 marks. So every figure is important. Figure carry at least 1 and 1.5 marks. असेल काय विचारा? ठीक आहे, गवळी सर.
हा सर. तर एक जो क्वेश्चन आहे राईट शॉर्ट नोट्सचा, म्हणजे जो क्वेश्चन येतो तो राईट शॉर्ट नोट्स ऑन फॉलोइंग. मग अशा वेळी शॉर्ट नोट्स बद्दल थोडंसं इन्फॉर्मेशन द्या. काय होतं, शॉर्ट नोट लिहिताना थोडंसं कन्फ्युजन होतं मुलांच्या मनामध्ये, का कशा प्रकारे लिहिली पाहिजे त्याच्यावर थोडंसं डिस्कशन.
हा सर, रिपीट करा जरा क्वेश्चन प्लीज.
बराच क्वेश्चन काय येतो सर, राईट शॉर्ट. हॅलो, हे ऐकू येते का?
हा सर बोला. हा,
राईट शॉर्ट नोट्स वरती जो क्वेश्चन येतो ना, त्यावेळेस मुलांना आन्सर लिहिताना थोडंसं डिफिकल्ट होतं. त्या संदर्भात थोडंसं मार्गदर्शन करून देईल.
हा, आता समजा सपोज टू बी, आता राईट द शॉर्ट नोट्स ऑन दी बेसिक्स ऑफ क्रिस्टल फील्ड थेरी. आता this question will ask for 5 marks supposed to be. So at least you have to write 5 to 6 points. Whatever जे काही मेन पॉइंट्स वाटते तुम्हाला आन्सर मध्ये जे आपल्याला दिलेले ते 5 ते 6 पॉइंट तुम्ही तिथं मेन्शन करणं गरजेचं. आता कसं की त्या in this case what you question ask for 2.5 marks or question ask for 3 marks, question ask count for 2 marks. क्वेश्चन किती मार्क्स आहे हे इम्पॉर्टन्स. क्वेश्चन समजा 2 मार्क्स असेल तर यू हॅव टू प्रिपेअर फॉर 3 पॉइंट्स. कमीत कमी यू हॅव टू राईट 3 पॉइंट्स. क्वेश्चन जर 3 मार्क्स असेल तर यू हॅव टू राईट ऍटलीस्ट 4 पॉइंट्स. क्वेश्चन 5 मार्क्स असेल तर मग त्यावेळेस तुम्हाला यू हॅव टू राईट द 5 or 6 पॉइंट्स. याच्यामध्ये जर डायग्राम असेल, समजा सपोज राईट अ शॉर्ट नोट ऑन एनी क्वेश्चन, that question carry the diagram and description. So there is half 1 marks for diagrams and 1 mark for description. So for description in this case you have to write at least 1 to 2 sentence and diagram carry 1 mark. Suppose sub question carry 3 marks and that short note in answer you have to if you write the diagram and description. So question sub question ask for 3 marks. जर 3 मार्क्स साठी क्वेश्चन असेल तर तिथं काय असेल, 1.5 मार्क्स साठी डायग्राम असेल आणि 1.5 मार्क्स साठी काय असणार आहे तिथं डिस्क्रिप्शन असेल. सो कसं आहे की फिगर, आणि जिथं कुठं फिगर आहे, फिगर दॅट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. यू कॅन नॉट इग्नोर द फिगर्स वेअर क्वेश्चन इज रिलेटेड कंटेन दी फिगर अँड डिस्क्रिप्शन. ओके, हॅलो सर.
हा हॅलो, विद्यार्थ्यांना काही विचारायचं तर विचार. हॅलो.
हा, विद्यार्थ्याला बरंच वेळ झाला मी हे करतो.
हो तेच, आय थिंक त्यांना काही क्वेश्चन आहेत सर.
हा अच्छा, चालतंय सर, सेशन हे करू.
So I would like to express my vote of thanks to the Professor S.K. Gumre sir, Head of Department Documentation, Access College State. And I will thank you to all the participants participation in this webinar. Thank you.
Okay.